This video will give you detailed information about the buttons built into DJI RSC2, as well as how to access the most frequently used shooting modes quickly. The following is an introduction on the button functions of DJI RSC2. Power button. Press and hold to power on or off. Press twice to enter or exit sleep mode. Back button. Press to exit the current screen. Side dial. Press to enter the menu and turn to scroll the options. Joystick. Toggle to control the movement of the gimbal. M button. Press to select a user profile. Camera button control. After connecting the gimbal and camera via multi-camera control cable, press halfway to autofocus. Press once to start or stop recording, or press and hold to take a photo. Trigger. Press once to start active track. Tap twice to recenter the gimbal. Tap 3 times to turn the gimbal 180 degrees and enter selfie mode. Front dial. The default function of the front dial on DJI RSC2 is to control camera focus. With additional settings, it can also be used to control focus motor, ISO, aperture, and the roll axis. Press and hold the power to power on DJI RSC2. Once powered on, the screen of DJI RSC2 will automatically display the homepage, where you can view the current user file, sleep mode icon, and the current battery level on the top status bar, as well as follow mode and follow speed. Press the side dial to the left of the screen to enter the main menu, which includes the settings for follow mode, auto tune, the joystick, front dial, and advanced settings. Before use, you need to perform auto tune and set a follow mode. Here are the detailed instructions. First, use the side dial to select auto tune and press to start. The gimbal will automatically adjust its stiffness according to the actual payload to better stabilize footage. Select Super Smooth for even further optimized stabilization. After Super Smooth is enabled, tap to perform auto tune again for optimal performance. The stiffness can be adjusted on the auto-tune screen. Go back to the home screen and select Follow Mode settings. Select Follow Mode and turn the side dial to scroll through the options. Select Follow Speed and turn the side dial to scroll through the options. Next is the introduction of several shortcuts for gimbal control. Auto-tune. Press the trigger while holding down the M button to begin auto-tune. Lock mode. Press and hold the trigger to enter lock mode. In this mode, the camera will keep facing the same direction no matter how the handle moves. Lock mode is useful for shots that involve tracking or pan follow. Sport mode. Press and hold the M button to enable sport mode, in which the gimbal tracks a quickly moving subject. If you need to remain in sport mode, tap the trigger twice while holding the M button. Perform the same action to exit sport mode. Portrait mode. Tap the M button twice. The pan and tilt axes will rotate 90 degrees so that the camera is vertical. Tap the M button twice to exit portrait mode. 3D Roll 360 mode. Press the M button 3 times to enable 3D Roll 360. At this moment, the camera is facing the same direction as the grip. Push the joystick to the left or right, and the camera will make a 360-degree rotation. Push the joystick to the left or right twice, and the camera will keep rotating at a constant speed. Tap the trigger twice, and the gimbal will automatically stop once it is in a horizontal direction. Tap the trigger 3 times, and the gimbal will automatically stop once the camera view is inverted. Repeat to exit 3D Roll 360. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.